Okay, first video is about disassembly of the mini Habu. We're going to need a little X-Acto knife, and later on we're going to need a hot glue gun. So here we go. I'll just take this rubber band off, which is keeping the canopy on. Just gently peel this back. This will be glued here and here, so you just got to be careful. And you'll notice that there is a servo for the steering at the front. Oh, that's going to be trash, so we're going to cut that off. We're going to leave the servo, though. We're going to peel that up, and then we'll go from there. But basically, that also controls the rear elevator, so we're going to have to just take the cutters up under here, and just be careful not to cut yourself. You basically just peel that back, and it's almost coming up now. There we go. It has come loose, and you can just leave it loose for now. Okay, so then also you have the connectors. They got to come through, so I'm just going to cut this off. All this glue on here. Take the harness out, and there we go. Now we're going to flip it over, and if you notice, there's a nice straight edge right there. And that's where I did most of my cutting. So you pull these wires back so nothing gets cut, and you just take your X-Acto knife gently. Nice straight cut. And that's it. Our Habu is pretty much ready to be reconstructed. And that'll be on the next video. Thanks.